All right, welcome back to our channel. So we're here at the Spencerville Firing Range, all the way up north in California. Like half a tank of gas. I'm not complaining though. Anyways, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are gonna be shooting guns.
All these things are memories, just love and peace, my anger is just gone.
You got a message to say that for all the people on our channel?
Hope you're enjoying the content today, guys. Happy Memorial Day to all you big old American lovers out there. Woo! Let's go, baby! Put the bullet in, let go, squeeze, push down.
But you never know. But you never know. But you never know. But you never. Hey, yeah. Lock of the doors, I'm up in the score, they coming for more. This is destruction galore, you couldn't afford what I got in store. You wanna start the rapport, all my brothers know I start the awards. I'm out of my business and gunning for yours. An entrepreneur that doesn't conform, you name me but I overlap. Still be ahead of y'all if I relapse. I'm taking heads off, you the next one if you stepping out of my track. I never break it all, I just snap. I never fake it all, I react and act up. Play me back to back up, I just stack the stats and racks up. You'll get wrapped, don't come and attack us, hope you coming correct. Move like a cigarette, how I get at your neck. To get respect, I'ma come as a threat.